In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Bluetooth issues after updating to iOS 26. Let's get started. First up, you'll need to launch your settings, then navigate to the option Bluetooth. Now disable for the option Bluetooth, wait for a few seconds and then enable it. This will refresh the network. Also make sure the Bluetooth device you are trying to pair has enough battery and is in proper pairing mode. If the device still does not appear in the list, open Settings. Now head over to the option Screen Time. Tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Either disable the feature or go into Bluetooth sharing and make sure it's set to allow changes. If the device name appears but you get the pairing unsuccessful message, first restart your iPhone by pressing volume up, volume down, and then holding the power button until the Apple logo appears. After restarting, try pairing again. If your device connects but keeps disconnecting, especially if you are using earbuds or another device with auto ear detection, turn off auto ear detection or forget the device, reset it and pair it again from the scratch. If Bluetooth problem continue, reset your network by going to Settings, General, Transfer, Reset iPhone, click on Reset Network Settings and go through the process. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. At the end, if this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.